Adding Sam's Club card to your Apple Wallet is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys will be able to add your Sam's Club card to your Apple Wallet. Process is pretty simple. First things first, you just have to open up your Sam's Club app and then go to your card. If you have a virtual card or if you have a manual card, you can actually add that card uh, through the Apple Wallet app. However, if in case you have a virtual card, underneath your virtual card, you will see a button looking something like that, add to Apple Wallet. Just tap on that button and your card will be added to Apple Wallet. However, just in case if you cannot find this button, so what you have to do is you just have to get your card number and all the details like zip code, CVV and all the things. And then you need to follow these instructions. Now these instructions are applied for virtual and the physical card as well. So here you have to tap on this plus icon in your Apple Wallet app. And then these two options will pop up. Just tap on debit or credit card and this option will pop up. Here it will want you to scan the card details by using the camera. However, you can do the manually if you have a physical card and then put your card details including your card number, CV expiry and CVV. However, if you want to scan your physical card, just tap on that and there you go. It will want you to take the picture of your card and the card will be automatically put into your Apple Wallet. That's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.